Hi and welcome back. If this is your first time watching the video and you enjoy it, please subscribe. Today I'm going to be turning this into some form of knife that I haven't actually finished yet. Had a few issues, you'll see it in the video. But yeah, so tomorrow hopefully I'll be able to finish it. I probably deserve this using mystery steel, but yeah, cracks. At this point, I'm just going to knock the end off it with the grinder and hope that I can draw it out far enough to make the handle loop back around and form a guard. Fingers crossed. Since today's video is going to be a little bit shorter than normal, I thought I would take the time to introduce Junior, the super dog. Be super. Do super things. Look at the camera. No? Okay. Well, this is Junior, and he's named Junior because when my wife bought him, on the car ride home, all he did was snore and fart. And apparently that resembled me somehow. I'm not entirely sure where she's getting this information, but yeah. So I thought I'd start introducing the family. Oh, look, he waves. See? He's a super dog. There's two other dogs, a ton of goats, and chickens, ducks, and whatever else we can catch. So, yeah, hopefully I'll make this, introduce someone every couple of weeks. But yeah, let's get back to the stuff you came for. Hello. And that noise means that somebody forgot to change the gas bottles. That someone was me, and it looks like I'm done for the day now, unfortunately. Sorry guys, pick it back up tomorrow. If you like the video, please like, subscribe, share. Hopefully I'll be able to finish this off tomorrow and start on a new project the next day. Thank you very much for watching.